Hey squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool episode here, and basically what this is a steamer product that you use for hard surface. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular, they call it SteamShot Deluxe. So basically the benefit of using this product is so that way if you guys do have like grease, dirt, or anything else on like hard surface, maybe like on your countertop or in your walls or something, you can definitely use one of these to help you guys clean it. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. If you guys take this part out, right underneath that we do have the actual product. So let's take everything out first. So first thing inside, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they provide you guys like a warranty card as well. Next right here, they do provide you guys extended cord option. So let's do take it out. This is what the product looks like. So it's definitely very flexible, like a gooseneck design. But I'll show you guys how to use it in a second. Next right here, we do have a bag of a bunch of stuff. If you guys do take it out, here is basically one of the heads that's in use. So if you guys want to use it for like your window or something, you guys can definitely use the steam to clean it off. So it does work as like a squeegee option. And the other slot right here is where it's going to insert into the actual product. Next up right here, we do have another head for another tool if you guys need to use it. Next up right here, we do have the third one. Here we do have the fourth one. Here we have the fifth one. Here is number 6, number 7. And here's the last thing that's inside, which is basically a padding option. Next thing inside, they do provide you guys the speaker option that you use to measure how much water to add inside the product when you guys do use it. So there is a max line right here. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product. So take off the bag. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see for the product is wired or corded. So you do need to plug it in to actually use it. But in terms of the length of the cable, you can see it's actually really long. But right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do take it out. And we see in the front, we do have the brand name. Bottom part here, we do have the product name, which is SteamShot Deluxe. Right here on the side, we do have a handle for you guys to grip it when you guys do use it. And right here, I'm assuming is the button for you guys to start using the product or the steaming option. And right here on top, I'm assuming is where you guys added the water. So if you guys do twist it open, that is basically where it's going to add the water inside. So just like this. Once you guys do add the water inside, you can close it back up. And that is the furthest it can go. And right here is basically where the steam will come out when you guys do use it. So we have to take out the wrapper. Once you guys do take it out, that is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys want to use any of the accessory, you basically want to plug it in. Just like that. Very easy and very simple. If you guys want to take it out, just pull it out. Very simple. Same thing for any of the other head. Just insert it in. Take it out. But if you guys want to use this one, you do have to take this part out. So just like this. And then insert it in. Make sure the two arrows are facing right here, so that way I know you guys put it in correctly. Once you guys put it together, you guys can put it in. And when you guys put it in, you guys want to twist it to lock it, so that way it won't come out. And for this pad option, I'm assuming you're supposed to put it right here. So you guys want to take this part out and then strap it on. It should only fit one way. So once you guys do put it on, this is what the product should look like. So now you can use it like that if you guys want to. And then for the last thing right here, if you guys want to put this on, you guys want to twist it to unlock it. Take it out, put this on, and then twist to lock it. And now you guys can use it like that if you guys want to. I'm assuming for this part right here, you do have the option to put in each different head if you guys want to as well. So just like that. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go put some water inside and we'll turn it on to test it out to show you guys when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So first thing I want to do is open up the lid. And what I want to do is fill the water inside right here and pour it in. So let's do that first. Once you guys got the water in, you can pour it inside. And when you guys do pour the water inside, you definitely want to take your time. Don't pour too fast. Now you're going to close it back up. Once you guys close it back up, now you guys can plug in the cable and start using it. Once you guys do plug it in, now you guys are ready to start using it. Now let's try to push it down and turn it and see what happens. So once you push it down and turn it, you guys can definitely hear that it's starting to boil inside. So I'm assuming once it finishes boiling inside, then that is basically when you guys press the button right here at the back to start using it. Let me bring it a little bit closer. I'm not sure if I can hear the boiling inside. So you probably have to wait a little bit to let it kind of steam up first before you can start using it. So if you guys press the button now, you can see how much steam is coming out when you guys do use it. If you guys want to stop boiling, you do want to turn the knob on top by pushing it down and turn the other way to turn it off. But now let's test it out to show you guys when it actually works and how well it works. So right here in the wall, you can see we do have a lot of like grease marks or like stain marks on here. Let's test it out to see if it actually works. So let's do turn it on. You can see how well it works after you do clean it. Literally all the grease mark is all gone, you can see. But now let's try somewhere else. So right here on the side of my oven, you can see there's a lot of stain marks as well. So let's test it out to see how it actually works. You can see how when you guys do use it, it just comes off immediately. And see the damage on here after you guys do use it. So let's finish the rest right here. So once you guys are done using the steaming option, you guys can just wipe it down. But you can see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. And after each time you guys finish using it, you do want to clean this pad to make sure it's clean for next time. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice so quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you see how when we do use the product, it definitely works pretty well. You can see how it should remove all of the grease and the stain, which is pretty awesome. So regardless of where you guys do use it, whether it be like your shower room, your kitchen counter, or anywhere else, as long as you guys do use it on a hard surface, you should be fine. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that when you guys do use it, it does have natural sanitization, so that way it can help you guys sanitize wherever you guys do use it. And since the product only uses water and steam to help you guys do clean it, it doesn't have any chemical, which is really awesome. So that way it's safe for your pet, your kids, and everyone else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality steamer that you can use to clean off like your hard surface, whether it be in your kitchen, your walls, your shower room, or anywhere else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.